Go.
Okay. One hole. Hi everybody, and welcome back to Realty Rides. Sorry it's taken me a little bit longer to churn out a new video, but as the name of this channel suggests, it's real estate related and I'm actively working on 2 transactions during our current selling season. But some of you have been emailing me and asking me how to make your own motorcycle seat, as I've mentioned in prior videos that I taught myself how to do this. So in today's episode, I will share some basic information on how to construct and create your own cool motorcycle bobber seat out of leather, some foam, glue, and a little ingenuity. Some of the footage was taken a few years back when I was actively building seats to sell on Craigslist and for customers, but I will explain the process along the way. It's not hard, it's a lot of fun, and very rewarding once it's done. So here we go. So over the years I made quite a few seats, about 12 in total. This is a little example of some of the seats, starting with my very first one, and then improving my skill set to include the riveting, custom tooling, engraving, lacing, and then also trying to do different styles. Tooling designs is a little bit more education, and I will cover that in an upcoming video. But for now, here are the basics to get you guys started. So while there are many seat designs, remember this is going to be a custom seat designed for your particular bike. So you can buy a ready-made bracket as shown with mounting tabs, or you can weld and install the tabs on your frame. Then you will need to get a seat pan. I recommend SinisterSeats.com made from 1/8 steel with the bungs welded on. Make sure you buy a seat that will fit you. Some of the items you will need are 3M glue, scissors, scale, clamps, some tracing paper, 8 to 10 ounce cowhide leather, 2 or 3 sheets of neoprene foam, an electric cutting knife, and rivets, which I will discuss later. Got my rivets right here. And they were going to be attached with a little device called a little bucking bar, which is this little silver thing right here, and a hammer, which I got my little rivet hammer here. Depending on your design for the seat pan, you will need to drill 3 main holes, 2 for the bungs that attach with springs underneath the seat, and 1 on the front for the down tube bracket. On rivet seats, you will also need to drill holes equally 1 inch apart around the pan. Take your time with measuring and drilling. You don't want to make any mistakes here. After drilling the 4 holes, attach the bungs and weld onto the seat pan if able. Next, cut and position the neoprene foam on the pan. Use 2 sheets for added support. Make sure you leave a lip exposing the rivet holes and glue the foam to the pan with the 3M glue. Once dry, sit on the pan to find your comfort level and use the rasp to remove and sculpt the seat foam to your level of comfort. This is important as the leather will cover the foam and conform to that design. Comfort is everything on long rides. Again, take your time and do your best. So now make sure you cut your 2 leather sheets of leather. The design is on the top and plain is on the bottom, and soak in warm water for a little while to make it malleable. Be sure to have cut the holes for the bungs. The shown design is only for example, but all of our seats are made the same way. Glue leather to the bottom and the top of the pan and clamp together until dry. Once dry, trim off all the excess leather from the edge of the pan and use a punch to find the rivet holes, and then drill each hole to install the rivets. So there you have it, a cool handmade leather bobber seat to put on your cool bike. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. But that would be missing the point. It's your design and no one else's. So now go ahead and make different ones and enjoy the ride and journey. I hope you found this enjoyable and educational. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, you guys.